students, good morning. Welcome to English grammar class. Today in this class we will read chapter verb, chapter 12 of your grammar book, Tune into Grammar. So let's start, students. See, I have written few words here. Now what you have to do, you have to tell me what do we do with these. So with eyes, what do we do with eyes? We see things with the help of eyes. What do we do with the help of nose? We smell. With the nose we smell. With the ears, what do we do? With the ears we hear. With the teeth you bite your food, you chew your food. So with the teeth you bite and you chew your food. Now with hands, what do you do with hands? All the work, of course, whichever you do with the hands only. So I write with the hands, you write. Okay, you write, you eat, you play, you wear your clothes. For every work you need your hands. You need with the help of your hands only you do this work. With feet you walk. So students, all these things, see, smell, hear, bite, chew, write, walk, all these are the actions which we do in our daily life. So our topic is verbs. What are verbs? Verbs are action words. The actions which is done by something or someone is called verb. जो भी हम काम करते हैं, वो जो भी एक्शन करते हैं, वो क्या है? वो सारा वर्ब है. We see, we smell, we hear, we bite, we chew, we write, we walk, we play, we dance, we sing, whatever action you are doing. So right now, what action I am doing? I am teaching you. मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? आपको पढ़ा रही हूँ. So teaching is verb here. What are you doing? आप क्या कर रहे हो? You are watching video. आप वीडियो देख रहे हो. So watching is verb here. And after this, you will write your workbook. You will do your exercise. So whatever action you do, all these actions are called verb. Now students, let's start with the exercise. The first exercise of our chapter is you have to underline the verbs in these sentences. इन sentences में आपको क्या करना है? Verb के नीचे line खींचनी है. So first sentence, Anu goes to school. Here which action Anu is doing? Going to school. So Anu goes to school. Goes is verb here. Asha is climbing the tree. Here what is verb? Is climbing is verb. Is helping verb and climbing is main verb. Then I am helping my mother. Here am helping. So helping, it is main verb and am is helping verb. So this you will read in the next chapter about helping verb. And I celebrate my birthday every year. Here what is verb? Celebrate. Celebrate is verb here. Then is Eddie watches television. Eddie watches television. Here what is verb? Watches. देखता है. Santa brings toys for us. So brings. Santa हमारे लिए क्या लाता है? Toys लाता है, खिलौने लाता है. Everyone eats lunch. So here which action is done? Eating. So eats, it is verb here. Now next is we buy fresh vegetables. So which action we do? Buy. Buy is verb here. We are driving to Jaipur. Here are driving is verb in this sentence. We are going to party. Here which action we are doing? Going to party. So helping verb and main verb. So students, in these sentences I have underlined the verb. You have to do this exercise in your book. Now let's do next exercise. Next exercise is, what do these people do? Can you find out their occupations from the words? So what do these people do? On left side the name of people are written and on the right side blank space is there. There you have to search their occupation from the box and you have to fill in the blank. So first is teacher. So what does a teacher do? A teacher teaches. So first is, students, I am writing only answer. So a teacher, first is, this is exercise given on page number 70. We are doing exercise given on page number 70. So first is a teacher. A exercise, a teacher teaches. क्या करता है टीचर? पढ़ाता है. Then second, an author. Author writes books. An author writes books. Then next is an actor. Actor acts. Acts in a film, acts in a play. A farmer. A farmer grows crops. A farmer grows crops. Crops उगाता है एक farmer, किसान. Then fifth is a driver. Driver, his work is to drive. So a farmer, a driver drives. Then sixth is a painter. A painter's profession is to paint. So a painter paints. Then seventh, a baker. A baker, what does he do? A baker bakes cakes. A baker bakes cakes. And then a tailor. A tailor stitches clothes. A tailor stitches clothes. A tailor stitches clothes. And then a doctor. What does a doctor do? Doctor treats patients. Doctor treats patients. And then next is a chef. What is the work of a chef? Cooks food. A chef cooks food. So these are the professions of the people which are given in the book. Now next is select the correct verbs for these nouns. You have to select the correct verb from the box for the noun. So first, this is exercise, students. B we are going to do. So B exercise, select the correct verbs for these nouns. So first is plants. So what will be plants? You will select grow. Plants grow. Music. Music is being played. So music, play. And then next is breeze. Breeze, blow. ब्रीज क्या करती है? ठंडी हवा चलती है. Then fourth is phone. Phone rings. So correct verb is ring. And then next is aeroplane. Aeroplane flies. Aeroplane flies. And then next is flowers. Flowers bloom. फूल खिलते हैं. Flowers bloom. Then knife. Knife is used to cut vegetables, cut fruits. Then eighth is rope. Rope, tie. बांधते हैं रस्सी से, हाँ बांधते हैं. And then ninth is kite. Kite, fly. Correct verb for kite is fly. And then engine. Engine helps to run the vehicle. So run. So all these are the correct verbs which you will circle in the box. Now next exercise is C. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct verb form from the bracket. Two verbs are given in the bracket. You have to choose the correct form of verb which is suitable for the blank. So let's do next exercise. So for this I am rubbing this, children. Next exercise we are going to do. Here you have to choose the correct verb. I will write answer and you will put a tick also, and you will also write down the answer in the blank. So this exercise is given on page number 71. So first is I dash every year for 3 kilometers. So I, what will come here? I run. I run every year for 3 kilometers. Pat also runs. Pat also runs with me. Then we dash together. We run together. Pat and I have been friends for long. He comes. He comes from a small town in Goa. His father works. His father works in a big hotel. We go. We go to school together. My mother makes. My mother makes. My mother makes pancakes for both of us. Pat loves the pancakes. Pat loves the pancakes made by my mother. Sometimes my father drops. Sometimes my father drops both of us to school in his car. At times my father also plays with us in the evening. Plays. Now students, here I taught you earlier with I, you, we and they. Base form of verb will be used, root form of verb will be used, first form of verb will be used. But with the plural noun and also with the plural noun we use first form of verb. But with singular noun and with he, she, it we use plural form or S form of the verb. So students, that is why where the noun is singular we have used S form of verb. Where the noun is plural we have used base form of the verb. So next is children, correct these sentences. You have to find the error in these sentences. The first is the postman delivering letters. What is the error here? So I am writing the correct answer, students, here. So first one is, now this is exercise D. For this I have to rub so that you may not get confused with two exercises on the same board. So next is children, D we are going to do, D exercise. Correct these sentences. First is I am writing the correct one, you will make the correction in the book itself. So the postman delivers letters. First, the postman delivers letters. The postman delivers letters. So second is I am clean my room. With am ing form comes. So I am cleaning my room. I am cleaning my room. Now third is my uncle living in America. So my uncle lives in America. My uncle lives in America. Now fourth sentence is on the next page. I always wears a cap in winter. With I said first form of verb will come, singular form. So I always wear. I always wear a cap in winter. I always wear a cap in winter. Next, I plays chess. So here also S form will not come. So what will be the answer? I play chess. All these exercises you will do in the book itself. Then is I am call you tomorrow. So tomorrow means for future you are talking. So will come. I will call you tomorrow. I will call you tomorrow. I will call you tomorrow. Then 7th is I tries to learn French. So I tried to learn French. I tried. मैंने कोशिश की. क्या सीखने की? फ्रेंच सीखने की. I tried to learn French. French is a language spoken in France. The next is cheetahs runs very fast. So here plural is there, plural noun. So run very fast. Cheetahs run very fast. Cheetahs run very fast. Then 9th is I writes very neatly with I. Write will come. I write very neatly. I write very neatly. Then next 10th is the sun give us heat and light. Universal truth always gives us. So the sun gives us heat and light. The sun gives us heat and light. The sun gives us heat and light. So 2 more are left. For this I am rubbing first to write down the 11th and 12th number. So 11th is my uncle visit us every year. So my uncle visits us every year. Then 12th and last is my father playing tennis. No children. My father plays tennis. My father plays tennis. So students, that's all for today. All these exercises you will complete in your book itself. And if you have any doubt, we will clear it out in our live class. So that's all for today, students. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also share your comments. If you have any problem, I will try to respond to every comment. So that's all, students. Bye bye. Have a good day.